Find or read reviews that people are talking about FlyAuto 24V car jump starter, with AC outlet 400 watts peak power bank. Why you should choose FlyAuto car jump starter. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful 10,000 amp jump starter. Instantly jump start a battery with 10,000 amp cranking power up to 70 times on a fully single charge. Compatible and supports all gasoline or diesel engines in emergency. Jump start all 24V/12V vehicle types including normal cars, vans, trucks, trailers, factory trucks, yachts, lawn mowers, excavator, tractor, auto repair stores and more. Note, when starting a 24V vehicle, the battery needs to hold more than 75% of charge. Forced start mode. The car jump starter has battery voltage detection and force booster function. If your car battery voltage is too low to detect even if the battery voltage is 0V, only for use this situation, just press the N button will force the car to restart. Power station jumper with 400 watt inverter. Upgrade multifunctional jump starter gadgets. V9 jump starter has a 400 watt power inverter. You can use the two AC 110V sockets to charge small home appliances. It features a 5V/3A output USB port enabling fast charging of cell phones, tablets, and other devices. The built-in ultra-bright 400 lumen LED light offers 3 modes: lighting, flash, and SOS, providing illumination and emergency signaling capabilities. Full metal housing and AI intelligent voice. Unlike traditional jump starters that only have analog indicators, the V9 jump starter for car battery boasts intelligent 4.5-inch smart screen, AI intelligent voice. This display provides vital information such as battery level, voltage selection mode, making it more easier and clearer for you to use. Full metal housing case is dust-proof and shock-proof, ensuring durability for outdoor use. Also, ergonomic handle design makes carrying more portable. Enhanced safety technology. FlyAuto car battery jump starter pack prioritizes safety and ease of use. It offers a comprehensive range of protection features in non-forced start mode, including overcharge, overcurrent, short circuit, reverse polarity, low temp, high temp, overvoltage, overload. Spark-proof, and reverse charge protection ensuring safe usage even in extreme temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. The LED display notify you of the correct operation and power level. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.